This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Koshaveda Ashwagandha. This powerful adaptogenic herb is celebrated for its ability to help manage stress and support overall well-being. For most individuals, the recommended daily intake is 1 to 2 capsules. It's best to take these capsules with a glass of water or milk, preferably after you've had a meal, to ensure optimal absorption and comfort. To truly unlock the full potential of Koshaveda Ashwagandha, consistency is absolutely key. Make it a part of your daily routine, taking it at roughly the same time each day. While some prefer a morning dose to kickstart their day, others find taking it before bed helps with relaxation. Remember, the benefits accumulate over time, so commit to consistent use for at least a few weeks. As you consistently use Koshaveda Ashwagandha, you might begin to notice several positive changes. Many users report a reduction in stress levels, improved sleep quality, and an overall sense of enhanced vitality. It's important to be patient, as these benefits usually become noticeable after 2 to 4 weeks of regular intake. Always listen to your body and consult a professional if you have any questions. Before you begin, always take a moment to carefully read the specific instructions provided on your Koshaveda Ashwagandha product label. It's crucial not to exceed the recommended daily dosage to ensure your safety and well-being. Also, remember to store your ashwagandha in a cool, dry place away from any direct sunlight to maintain its potency and effectiveness over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.